Hey everyone, it's Baron from ATAK Interactive, and in this video I'm going to be talking about how to manage your categories, how to add a category, subcategory, and a brief review of how to add a product in your categories. Let's take a look at our web page to see where our categories are. As you can see on top of our page, this is going to be our categories. If we go back to the Manage Categories page, it is going to bring up the navigation panel on our left. As you can see, we have shoes, bags, ready to wear, and sale on our navigation panel. Let's take a look at the web page once again to see where they are. Alright, let's start with adding a root category first. Let's name this category Test, and then make it active so that it's going to be visible on our web page. Let's set a description called Test Description. Let's for now skip the image part. I'm gonna be doing that in a couple of minutes so that you would understand it better. Let's put test title for the page title, and then let's skip the meta keywords and meta description part. Let me just quickly explain what these are. Meta keywords and description is not gonna be visible on your web page, but if you write something here, it is gonna be beneficial for you for the search. It is gonna make your web page to be better structured search wise. So let's assume we were selling computers on our test category, so I should have named it computers, but you're gonna get it better if I write test for now. So if we were selling computers, I would just, for meta keywords, I would just go computer or anything related to computer, and then I would just put a description for the page whatsoever. Let's keep it blank for now, and then let's choose include a navigation menu, yes. Otherwise it's not gonna be visible once again if we choose no over here. Alright, let's save this category, and then let's see what happens when we save the category. As we can see, our root category ends up being on the list over here. We can move it by clicking on top of it and holding and moving it. So let's just move this to our default category so that we could see it on our web page. So right now it's shoes, bags, ready to wear, test, and sale. This is gonna be how it's lined up on the navigation menu. So let's just save it and then take a look at our web page. Alright, if we refresh our page, we're gonna see that our category is gonna be over here before the sale. Alright, here it is. So we just added a new category for our page, and if we were to click on test, it's gonna take us to the test page. As you can see, our test description is here. The test title is on top of our address bar. You can't see it right now because the web page is only visible in this video, but if you were to go on top of the address bar, our test title will be on top. Alright, so let's go back to our panel. Let's add a subcategory right now. Let's choose our newest category, test, and then add a subcategory under that. Let's name it test sub, and then make it active. Let's skip the description. Let's skip everything. Just include this once again because it's required, because it has a red star next to it, and then let's just save it. Now let's take a look at the web page once again, refresh it, and see where our subcategory is going to be. As you can see, there's an arrow under test right now, and if you go on top of it, it's going to bring the subcategory. Now we can add subcategories to our categories. Let's say if it was let's say it was ready to wear, we would add jeans, t-shirts under this. Alright, going back to the admin panel, let me just add this up. We said we were going to add some images. So let's add an image to your test page. Let's choose this random image. or actually let's choose the ATAK logo, and then save category once again. And go back to the page so that we can see what happened. Right now we're in test subcategory. We have to go to the test category for that because we put that on the test page. Here it is. So if we put a image on our test page, by default on this theme it would appear here. But if you had a different theme or change the layout of this page, you could have put in this picture anywhere else. So once again, this is your test category, which means your text page, and whatever you do here is going to affect your test page, which is over here. Let's see what else we can do with the category page. We can change a few more things. We can change its display settings. We can choose what will be shown on that page. Right now products are going to be shown, but we could choose to show static block and products. We can choose the sorting, like how is it going to be sorted on that page, which product is going to be first. We can sort it by the value, name, price, or we can add anything else to sort it. We can choose to add a custom design. We can choose to have different themes, and also we can view what product is under the category. So right now on test category, on test page, there are no products. We don't see any products here. I'm just gonna overview how to add a product to a category, but it's a little bit more detailed topic, so we're gonna have another video called how to add a product. But just to make it clear and give you an idea over how it's gonna look or how to add it, I'm just gonna add something right now. If you remember, we have manage products part under catalog. Let's go to that page and add a product for our test category. So we would click on add product, and then we can choose an attribute. We have to choose an attribute set and the product type. I mentioned attribute sets before. We can have different attribute sets. If we choose, let's say we chose t-shirt right now, it would have t-shirt attributes, like the attributes we added for t-shirt sets. I'm just gonna choose default right now. There's computers that I did it myself before. I'm not gonna choose anything right now. I'm just gonna choose default attributes that Magento comes with, and then you're gonna choose your product type. I'm just gonna choose simple product right now because this is a simple product. This could have been virtual product, downloadable product. Let's just stick to this for now. As I said, I'm gonna be talking more over this. Name our product. Let's see if this is a computer X, and then add a description, computer description, short description, so that you would see where these are gonna be. School is computer 1. This is an attribute for. I'm gonna be talking about what school is. This is to specify your product's name. Your customer's not gonna see that. Let's set a random weight for this. Let's say it's 100, and let's put a status. Let's enable it, and then choose the visibility. It's gonna be visible for catalog and search. We gotta add a price before adding it because it doesn't allow you without the price. And then we have to click on inventory, put the quantity here. Let's say we have 10 computers for sale, and then we have to choose in stock. As I said, don't worry about this right now. Just also we have to choose a text. Don't worry about the complications of this right now. I'm just doing this to make you understand how to add a product to a category for now. Also, I forgot to choose its category. You have to go to the category page and then choose our new category, which is tests. Alright, so let's save it and go back to the test page. Alright, right now if we take a look at category products on our test category, we're gonna see the product we just added. As you can see, Computer X is here. Right now let's go back to the web page and take a final look of what we did. The product we just added is gonna appear over here. There it is. I didn't put any image for the product, so it's blank right now, but as you can see, our product is here. I'm gonna add the image for the product in our product video, and I'm gonna be explaining how to change the areas in this page. But if you remember, we put computer short description, which ended up being here, and then we added a computer description, which ended up being under the product description part. Alright, we came to the end of this video. Once again, it's Baron from ATAK Interactive, and thank you for watching this video.